Do you know the importance of ventilation in factories? Ventilation plays a critical role in commercial and industrial spaces, ensuring indoor air quality by diluting and removing pollutants. Ventilation system consists of two key parts: the fresh air intake and the exhaust system. Fresh air intake system includes air inlets, filters, heating or cooling units, fans, ducts, and air distribution outlets. The exhaust system includes air intake points, ducts to transport polluted air purification units, exhaust stacks and fans. The key functions of a ventilation system are continuously providing fresh outdoor air, regulating temperature and humidity, minimizing fire and explosion risks, and eliminating or diluting harmful contaminants in the air.